In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a filter to existing emails in Gmail. If you're someone who struggles with an overflowing inbox or simply wants a more organized email system, this guide will help you take control. Using filters can streamline the way you handle incoming messages, helping you automatically label, archive, or even delete emails based on specified criteria. And today, I'm here to walk you through this process step by step. First, you need to open your web browser and head to the Gmail website. Once there, sign into your account if you haven't already. Managing your emails directly from the Gmail website ensures that you have access to the full range of features available. Once you're logged into Gmail, look towards the top right corner of your inbox for the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu and select See All Settings. This will open a new window where you can find a variety of options to customize your Gmail experience. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. This section is where you can create, edit, and manage all the filters that you set up for your emails. Whether you're filtering work emails or organizing newsletters, filters help you save time and keep your inbox tidy. Now, click on Create a New Filter. This option allows you to define the criteria for your filter. In the dialog box that appears, you'll see a range of options. Here, you can specify criteria such as the email address of the sender, words that might appear in the subject line, or even certain keywords that might be found in the body of the email. For instance, if you want to filter all emails from a specific sender, type their email address in the From field. Once you've specified your criteria, click on the Create Filter option at the bottom of the dialog box. You will now see another window that asks you what action you'd like Gmail to take when it encounters an email matching your filter criteria. The choices are varied. You can have the email skip the inbox and go straight to a specific label, automatically mark it as read, or even delete it. Perhaps one of the most beneficial features of this tool is the Apply Filter to Matching Conversations checkbox. By checking this box, you ensure that your new filter doesn't just apply to future emails. It also reorganizes the ones that already exist in your inbox according to the criteria you've just set up. This retroactive application can help you instantly clean up your existing email backlog. Finally, click Create Filter to save your changes and apply the filter. Now Gmail will handle those emails according to your settings automatically, giving you more time to focus on the emails that truly matter to you. And there you have it, a simple process to turn your chaotic inbox into a model of organization. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in streamlining your digital life.